Good morning, students. I hope you are doing well at home. Today, we are going to color the helicopter that is on page number 8 of your drawing book. Now, let's begin with the blue color in the clouds. Then, do green color in the fan of the helicopter. After that, do the slanting lines in the glass of the helicopter. After that, do red color in the wing. Now do the silver color in the helicopter and the stand. At last, do brown color in the body of the helicopter as I am doing here. So your beautiful helicopter is ready. I hope you enjoyed this video. Be creative, be practicing, and have a nice day.